So certain world events have highlighted our personal hygiene, but what about your smartphone hygiene and cleanliness? Well, here's how to properly clean and sanitize your smartphone without damaging it. Thanks for watching 9to5Google on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and enable notifications with the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. We want to go over a few things you might want to avoid first. Alcohol wipes and gels over 50% as per guidance from OEMs may damage the oleophobic coating on your display, so we advise against using those where possible. Compressed air can be flammable and may cause device issues, as well as leaving a potentially damaging solvent coating on your phone, so avoid them too. Unless your device has an IP68 rating, you should avoid dunking your phone in water. A small amount of water on an antimicrobial cloth will do no damage, but too much may cause issues. You may also want to trim your fingernails and wash your hands regularly to prevent germs from spreading on your smartphone too. Our suggested and one of the cheapest method is by picking up a screen protector and cleaning wipes. This can be removed and replaced whenever you desire. You can also use alcohol screen wipes on your screen protector and not cause damage to the display's oleophobic coating underneath, as well as protecting your smartphone in general. We also recommend picking up an antimicrobial cleaning cloth, and there are some specialist sprays that are designed to remove germs and bacteria while ensuring your screen is not damaged if you don't want to use a screen protector at all. Alternatively, you can just use lukewarm water with a dash of soap on an antimicrobial cloth. You should spray or dampen the cloth itself and not your device, even if it does have an adequate IP rating. A soft wipe on all sides is all that's needed to remove any debris and dirt. Although the cloth is soft, pressing too hard may be abrasive over time, so don't go too overboard. As these antimicrobial cloths are reusable, you can wash it in hot water at over 60 degrees centigrade or 140 degrees Fahrenheit and allow it to hang dry. Those are arguably the cheapest ways to keep your phone free from germs and bacteria. Another more expensive way is to use a UV smartphone cleaner. These contraptions can kill up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses on our smartphones. Popular models can cost as much as $120, but you can use a UV light from some smartphone screen protectors that use adhesive bonding. They can be used if you have the time to target each side of your device. Whichever method you use though, it's important to ensure that you follow a regular cleaning process to be free of any nasty bugs, dirt, grime and bacteria, as well as fingerprints on your display. If you have a process of your own that you follow, then do let us know down in the comment section below. But until next time, this is Damien from 9to5Google saying thanks for watching this Android Basics video, and I will speak to you later.